Hello, I'm CADian. Let's take a look at the convenient functions of CADian. CADian is a CAD software compatible with AutoCAD, developed by the Korean company Korea. In CADian CAD, you can linearly copy text containing numbers by incrementing them. Let's take a look at the linear continuous number feature in Utility. Use the pull-down menu to execute commands. Click on Utility, and the text modification menu appears, then click on Linear Continuous Text. Select the text and press Enter. Press Enter to set the increment value to its default of 1. Set the value of digits to 1 as well. Type B on the keyboard, and press Enter to set the placement of number to back. Use the mouse to specify the base point and space. And finally, set the position. After the command is completed, you can see that the numbers have been incremented and copied linearly as specified. This is convenient when you need to increment numbers at regular intervals. We have used the utility feature in CADian CAD to linearly copy by incrementing numbers. If you have any questions about CADian, please contact us on the website or via email. Thanks for watching.